Hey gang, welcome back to another video. Now, one of the questions I get asked every Halloween is, do you know of any good solar spotlights that would work for a haunt? Now, historically I've said no, but I was recently made aware of some smart solar spotlights, and so I thought I would put them to the test and take you along with me. So let's get into it. These are the new Linkind SL5 smart solar spotlights. They're Bluetooth enabled and IP65 outdoor rated, so they don't require Wi-Fi and they're perfect for all weather applications. But where they really stand out is that they're able to run lighting animation presets, which is something that a lot of LED spotlights can't do. But before I get into that, I'm going to need a proper setting to test them in. Now that I've set the mood, let's get them installed in the cemetery and jump into some of these presets. As you would expect, these lights have all your standard RGB colors, but Linkind has clearly heard from haunters and Halloween fans that they want solar lights, and so they've packed in Halloween-specific settings into their app just for us, like Phantom's Flicker, Spectral Shimmer, and Ghastly Glow as part of their light show options. Now, all of this is great, but if you're anything like me and you want something specific, you can create your own presets to apply to individual lights, or you can create groups and apply those presets across multiple lights. Pretty cool if you ask me. There's an effect that we've tried to create for our haunt for a long time. A subtle blue to green fade that would light up the background of our display. Now, based on the light output, I'll only need to use 3 of the 6 lights that come in the box for this setup, and I'll create a group with those 3 lights. Then I can make my own effect by clicking the Add button. From this menu, I can choose the style of effect that matches the type of lighting I want. In this case, it's gradient. And then I can add the effect colors using the plus button, followed by selecting the color from the color wheel. I can add up to 8 colors for my custom preset, but for this effect, I'm just going with 2 alternating shades of blue and green. Then I can hit the preview button to see what it looks like, and make changes to the speed or colors until I'm happy with how it looks, and then I can name it and save it to my presets. Now I can call it up whenever I want, and because these are smart lights, I can use built-in automations to turn on when my haunt is running and turn off when we're done for the evening. Because I still have lights available from the set of 6, I'm going to create an individual effect to highlight the monument on the left. So I'll create a new group and add a single light, and then I'm able to make my custom preset. I'll select a few colors, in this case shades of yellow and orange, and the breathe effect, and now this monument is much more interesting to look at. Some of the other presets they include that aren't a part of the Halloween selection, but definitely could be used for Halloween, include lightning, as well as some subtle color shifting effects that would help to round out the spooky vibe of my makeshift cemetery. The only thing left to do is to add in a few jack-o'-lanterns and some candles to round it out, and just like that, my main Halloween lighting is done. All in all, these lights worked exactly how I hoped they would. They're bright, the color saturation and runtime is good, and the effect presets and customization is a huge benefit for Halloween decorating. Now, of course, you can use them year-round, not just for Halloween, but the best part of it all is that you don't have to run any extension cords. I'd like to thank Linkind for sending me their SL5 Smart Solar Spotlights, and be sure to head over to their website to check out their entire line of products. Well, that's going to do it for this one. Be sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already, but most importantly, go make something.